And what we found is that the fungus has been around since as far back as our tree ring record could go, which is about 150 years so far. And so it's been around, and it has caused periodic outbreaks here and there on the landscape. But they were all small, and they weren't synchronous. So one area would have an outbreak and another area would have another outbreak 20 years later. What we found since around 1960 is the outbreaks started becoming more synchronous. They all happened at the same time, and they started getting worse. And we have been able to show with other researchers as well, working on different aspects of this, that the Dothostroma septosporum, this fungus, is actually increasing in its population and its impact on forests as a direct result of directional climate change. So it's gone from innocuous pathogen that was just around, killing a few trees here and there, but really never causing much of a problem, to something that is wiping out entire pine plantations as a result of removal of the threshold that limited its population development, which basically was wet, cold weather. There just wasn't enough of that to allow the population to develop. Sorry, wet, warm weather. So that limiting threshold on its population size has been altered as a result of climate change. So the fungus is now able to erupt into epidemic proportions. So there's been 4 or 5 graduate students that have looked at that as well, sort of piecing together all these different components.